Good morning to everyone who is watching me. My name is Miguel Condor, Electronics Engineering study in the Universidad Politécnica Salesiana, and in the video spectrum technology. The base idea behind spectrum is to start with a non-band signal and mix it with a high frequency pseudo-random number as seen in the block diagram, which code there are 64 watts code using a CDMA 2008 64 bit long. Listen below. Here you see the first 10 watts code. The modulation imaginary H wall code WK sequence is mapped so that a 0 is a more 1 and a 1 is a less 1. There is a singular using channel input day bit every 64 chip or period of the watch code. If the day bit a 0, then watch code WK is transmission, or if 1, the inversion or negative of the W is transmission. Network synchronization for the correlation process to work all two wall code moves the transmission with the same start and end theming. This requires close synchronization between all of the base station and the mobile phone.
My name is Jose Alban. I am a student of Electronic Carrier Engineering de la Universidad Politécnica Salesiana, and the subject DSP. I speak about RAID receiver. The architecture of the receiver used for CDMA is known as the RAID receiver. These correlators can be programmed for different walls codes. The receiver CDMA translated to the RAID receiver with multiple correlators, all scaled fingers for optimal receptions. Pilot pseudo-random number codes. Our sequences are important. One characteristic is the autocorrelation property. When a PN sequence correlates with itself, the result is a perfect combination. Code division multiple access transmit architecture. By code division, the transmitted circuit is 95 and CDMA 2000 is the diagram shown below, and the I and Q quadrature parts are mixed or XORed with separate PN sequences. These PN sequences constitute the pilot channel. Variable rate bootcoder. One of the many innovations introduced in the CDAM system was the variable rate bootcoder. And note that the data entry speed for each user or traffic channel can be used for rates. With a TDMA system, the allocated bandwidth in a slope is fixed. A variable rate bootcoder, a channel with a data rate equal to the maximal possible rate should be assigned. Short-handoff. The CDMA system uses a common frequency band of 125 MHz at each site and cell sector. By using different walls codes, interference between different users in the same cell or adjacent cells.
Hello engineer and classmates, I am Darwin Arellano, a student of Universidad Politécnica Salesiana, and I have to speak about the CDMA system. Hi, I am Darwin Arellano, a student of Universidad Politécnica Salesiana. I have to speak about the CDMA system. First, uplink modulation. CDMA system are synonymous for the downlink base station to the mobile. Modulation method used. The uplink mobile to the base station is somehow different. The wireless codes are orthogonal only. If all codes are sent and received synchronously, this is possible with the downlink and access base station are all synchronized through GPS. In the uplink, the real-time signal at the base station received with the delayed by the round-trip time. Power control is in the both the downlink and uplink. In the downlink, the prime consideration is to keep the pilot power constant, even out the channel power varies with the numbers of the distance from the base station. higher data rates. One disadvantage of CDMA is that multiple walls code can be aggregated to the signal user to allow higher data rate. In this simply not possible to CDMA system. However, the disadvantage is that the few data users can consume most of the downlink capacity, compressing the available capacity voice user, who prevent the whole reload to the wireless carrier. Other code using multiple access technology, alternative CDMA technology are developed after the CDMA 2000 point. The most common CDMA system is now about the WCDMA or wideband CDMA or UMCS. From the CDMA was heavily based in the years 1950.